Coach Rodney, Coach Mike, Coach Barnes, first win of the season. How are we feeling tonight?
Oh man, it feels great. We all came together and chemistry was there, and they executed tonight. Sky's the limit.
The boys did play tough. I seen they recognized those mismatches and they hoisted the ball up, and that's what the end result was. Final score?
35-zip.
35-zip. That's a nice day at the office, I would say. Shout outs. Who are we going to give it out to tonight, fellas?
Coach Barnes, offensive line, did a great job. No sacks and nice pass protection.
No sacks and a lot of throwing balls tonight. Can't ask for any more than that. We know hard work pays off, gentlemen. We appreciate it. We're proud to have you here. We'll see you again next week.